Welcome students, welcome to my new lecture. I am Roxana Parveen, lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, World University of Bangladesh. In previous lecture, we have started to design the exterior longitudinal beam and completed up to moment calculation. And here, in this lecture, we will calculate the reinforcement of the beam and also show the detailing of reinforcement. This figure shows the types of beam to be designed. Moment has calculated in previous lecture. Here, W-beam will be designed in interior support as here the moment is always maximum, and single beam will be designed for exterior negative moment, and L-beam will be designed for mid-span positive moment. We will first design W-beam for interior negative moment at interior support. At interior support end, negative moment MNI equal to 1998 kPa. See previous lecture and also slide 3. Now, we know M design equal to phi r BD square. Here, phi equal to 0.9, R equal to 0.796 KSI, B equal to 10 inch beam width, D equal to 16.5 inch effective depth. See previous lecture. Substituting all these values in equation, we get M design equal to 1950.4 kPa. Then S1 equal to rho BD. Here, rho equal to 0.0158. See previous lecture. Substituting all these values in equation, we get AS1 equal to 2.61 inch square. This is the same procedure to design W reinforced beam in your course CE 703. Here, AS1 equal to 2.61 inch square and FY equal to 60 KSI. So finally, A equal to 5.26 inch. C equal to A by beta 1. Beta 1 equal to 0.85. So C equal to 6.2 inch. Now epsilon prime S equal to epsilon U into C minus D prime by C. Here epsilon U equal to 0.003. C equal to 6.2 inch. So finally epsilon prime S equal to 0.002. Then F prime S equal to ES into epsilon prime S. Here ES equal to modulus of elasticity of steel equal to 29 into 10 to the power 6 psi. Epsilon prime S equal to 0.002. And finally we get F prime S equal to 58 ksi. In W reinforced beam, we have to provide reinforcement in both tension and compression zone. For compression reinforcement, A prime S equal to MNI minus M design divided by A prime S into D minus D prime. Here, MNI equal to 1998 kPa. See slide 3. M design equal to 1950.4 kPa. See slide 4. A prime S equal to 58 KSI. See slide 5. So finally, A prime S stands to 0.065 inch square. For tensile reinforcement, AS2 equal to MNI minus M design divided by FY into D minus D prime. All values are calculated or given. So finally, AS2 equal to 0.063 inch square. Total steel area at tension zone AS equal to AS1 plus AS2 equal to 2.61 plus 0.063 inch square. Finally, AS equal to 2.67 inch square. Singly reinforced beam. At exterior support end, negative moment MNE equal to 1128 kPa. See slide 3. Take A equal to 1 inch for trial and error process. AS equal to MNE divided by FY into D minus A by 2. Replacing all values, we get AS equal to 1.31 inch square. Now having checked with this formula, the value of A stands to 2.2 inch. Again take A equal to 2.2 inch and steel area is becomes 1.36 inch square. So use flexural steel area A is equal to 1.36 inch square. For L-beam design, we need to calculate effective flange width. At mid-span, positive moment MP equal to 1284 kPa. See slide 3. Now, effective flange width of a L beam A, BF equal to BW plus 60, where BW equal to beam width equal to 10 inch, T equal to slab thickness equal to 6 inch. So finally BF equal to 46 inch. B, BF equal to BW plus L by 4, where L equal to span length equal to 25.25 feet. Finally, BF equal to 85.75 inch. C, BF equal to BW plus center to center spacing of the beam equal to 10 plus 5 feet plus 10 by 12 into 12 equal to 80 inch. So we take BF equal to 46 inch, the minimum one. At mid-span positive moment, MP equal to 1284 kpinch. See slide 3. Take A equal to 1 inch for trial and error process. A is equal to MNE divided by Fy into D minus A by 2. Finally, replacing all values, we get steel area A is equal to 1.49 inches square. Now, having checked with this formula, the value of A stands to 2.5 inch. Again, take A equal to 2.5 inch and steel area AS becomes 1.56 inches square. So use flexural steel area AS equal to 1.56 inches square. This is the summary of reinforcement at various points. Here, flexural reinforcement at exterior support is 1.36 inches square. Flexural reinforcement at mid-span is 1.56 inches square. And interior support is 2.67 inches square for tension zone, 0.065 inches square for compression zone. This is the reinforcement detailing of beam. For 0.065 inches square steel at interior support, we have used 2 number 6 bar all through. In left mid-span, total positive steel area is 1.56 inches square. For providing 2 number 6 bar wall throw, it covers 0.88 inches square from 1.56 inches square steel area. The rest 0.68 inches square steel area we have provided 2 number 5 bar as extra bar. At left exterior support, total steel area equal to 1.36 inches square. As we have provided 2 number 6 bar, although it covers 0.88 inches square area from 1.36 inches square. The rest 0.48 inches square steel area we have provided 2 number 5 bar as extra bar. Similarly, we have provided 6 number 5 bar as extra top for interior tensile reinforcement steel area of 2.67 inches square. Similarly, extra steel at points has calculated. And this is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you everyone.